Hi, it's Evelyn. Thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. It is late tonight and I am doing my hair. I love stinging nettle. Stinging nettle is the first herb that actually stopped my hair from falling out. I made this video to share with you that stinging nettle is a great herb for hair loss. Stinging nettle is known for its benefits of blocking DHT, which is a hormone that causes hair loss in both men and women. You can drink stinging nettle tea and you can make a mask or a tonic and spritz your hair with it. And you all know that I love stinging nettle and I make stinging nettle. And this is my stinging nettle hair mask that I apply to my hair. And how I use my stinging nettle, I first do a sugar scrub on my scalp using my Ayurvedic infused sugar scrub to cleanse my scalp so that my scalp prep to receive the nutrients from the stinging nettle hair mask. So here's my hair. I have already applied the mask to my hair. It is so full. My hair is healthy, it's thriving, it's growing, and I just love the results of the stinging nettle. The stinging nettle is actually drying on my hair right now, so I need to put my plastic wrap on and let it sit on my head for several hours. It's late tonight, so I'm only going to leave it on my head for a couple of hours. You can leave stinging nettle mask on your head 30 minutes, 45 minutes, because it's all natural. And I make my stinging nettle, it is all natural with key essential oils that will help stimulate hair growth, prevent hair loss, and strengthen your hair. So look at my hair. It is getting fuller. Of course, with the product on my hair, it makes my thin strands look a little fuller than my hair actually is. But I love stinging nettle. It has stopped my hair from falling out here in the crown, the top of my head. I love this hair mask. And I just wanted to share with you tonight this hair mask that I am using and will continue to use throughout my journey. It feels good on my scalp. It really absorbs into my scalp. I love how healthy my scalp is. Putting the mask on my hair. My hair isn't falling out. My scalp is healthy, my follicles are healthy, and my hair is just overall healthy. It doesn't grow super fast. I guess it's all about genetics, but genetics has never been on my side. So I do everything that I can to stop hair loss, promote hair growth, and just in general, keeping my hair healthy. This is my hair mask. I can't wait until 2019 when I bring you all of my products that will be available for you, for those that are suffering hair loss and wanting to prevent hair loss, because that's what it's all about. Our hair is growing. Our hair is growing all the time, but when your hair is growing and it's falling out, you're losing hair from the roots, from your follicles, it's devastating. But this stinging nettle, over almost 2 years of using it, coming next year, has really transformed my hair, transformed my strands. I drink stinging nettle every single day. I just absolutely love this herb, and along with my other products like my anti-breakage hair mask and of course my tonic spray. So I just want to share with you this video tonight while I have the product in my hair, and I just want to just show you how my hair looks and to show you, it's so strong. And I love stinging nettle, how it makes my hair feel. And I will continue to use stinging nettle. Stinging nettle is a part of my life. It's a part of my life. And so it's late tonight. It's getting later, so I need to wrap my head up and let this sit on my hair for about 45 minutes to an hour, and then I will, wash my hair and proceed with my regular treatment. So this completes this video on my stinging nettle, and I will see you in another video. Bye bye.